Asakan dirim chakso taya kminiyan hazal gni chichetni MBOSE metric paper SSLC paper gimna section A ko ka da section B ko khat na miya section A yo number 1 ni number 10 na chum dikmina yade number 11 ni start ya number chi shakpa the yan section B and 2 marks question the question we find a quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are 9/2 and 0 respectively. So they might come down quadratic polynomial ko ambona. So they know product of zeros or sum of zeros konsoha. Sum of zeros 9/2, product of zeros 0. And the ini quadratic polynomial ko ambona. The solution. They also have a more sum of zeros. Sum of zeros 9/2. Also a question. Or a product of zeros equals to 0 so yeah sign means they equals ne yamang yapsana zeros that the standard form of quadratic equation maichem mesokona standard form of quadratic polynomial. The standard form of quadratic polynomial ra maichem ames konende the x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros that is standard form quadratic polynomial ni tade ya standard form ko chakle anching ya no quadratic polynomial ko te amna ta manai x square sum of zeros ni biapo ya 9/2 into x plus ara product of zeros ni biapo 0 ya ko jakhle mana direct manai nokpa iman jajingna nang pergijan keman pergijan manai nokpa mo therefore quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros equals x square again minus the variables x square minus the sum of zeros question also ha 9/2 into x plus product of zeros minus 0 equals to the x square again minus 9/2 into x plus 0 means to 0 dong ja chandapna nang jwa yan answer oi ha yan quadratic polynomial answer yapna nang pa x square minus 9/2 into x tade sawa sukna ba dong ke quadratic polynomial ha ne tade no unknown variable samai x pamo tade no x ni highest degree ra ma ya 2 pamo phangnan unknown variable ni highest degree 2 on the icon quadratic ni agana ne ya no 2 oni gaman highest degree 2 oni gaman yan quadratic polynomial the next number my again 11 jokona next number 12 again no number 12 kuba khangshana number 12 question my chin question se thana ngana sengsang bane question se sang kuna question my chin question number 12 solve root over 2x square minus 3x minus 2 root over 2 equals to 0 that is solve kanani solve means they know x ni value kambono tade mai de kia na x ni value kam ginchum ai chi sai chi mesokotna tade phangnan quadratic equation ko solve khalde या coefficient of x square man या constant term को multiply करूँगा ताकि इन्हें coefficient of x square दे root over 2 अरे constant term last time दे या minus 2 root over 2 मो ताकि इसको multiply again multiply करते हैं बता मैं इन्हें root over 2 into minus root over 2 2 बमो 2 root over 2 ताकि इसको multiply करते हैं root over 2 into root over 2 the 2 गना into या minus 2 equals to minus 4 गना तदे या minus 4 मान के पनी factor काम गिनो तदे या first term ni coefficient aro last term ko multiply khao minus 4 man ha tate minus 4 ko minus 4 ni factor kam ganok to the 4 ni factor de 2 times 2 equals to 4 2 into 1 so 2 bomo tate ya factor man ko ni ko arrange ka ganok multiply je de ke ba ya factor ko multiply ka minus 4 ko man na ganok ya minus 4 ko mai ke ka ganok to de mai ke minus 4 ko man gin de minus 4 yeah 2 into 2 de 4 bomo minus 4 into 1 equals to minus 4 gino to the option number kon plus ka de ya middle term ko mananangin multiply ka minus 4 ko ya ko aro ya ko plus ka ora ya minus 3 ko mananangin da de minus 4 plus 1 equals to the exactly minus 3 ko maniya ba mano manja maniya bomo maniya ba ni man da de magnok ya kode kese ginok minus 3 kode made kese ginok minus 4 plus 1 de kese na manino ajan chia ma shi kemo to de ya ko split kha ginok to de color change content hai equals to the ya no right hand side left hand side to ani gmani na direct equals na man jani na implies sign na again implies root over 2x square minus to the minus 3 ni biapo minus 4 plus 1 ko se ginok minus 4 x to any given x minus the yeah plus 1 bamo plus 1 means the plus 1 into x the direct x minus 2 root over 2 equals to 0 ajan chia ma shikia the there now root over 2 donga yano ba common rana gata 4 ni biapo mai patake root over 2 ko ra banana gini na the there mai the ke 4 ko root over 2 thari gen root over 2 thari nan nang chong matinga mai root over 2 dong ani man common rana de root over 2 ko nang chong matinga ta de 4 ko chong mai de kesena man gen 2 into 2 de kesena man gen mamo ta de 2 ko mai de kesena man gen root over 2 into root over 2 ni man 2 ko root over 2 into root over 2 into ya 2 mamo means de ko kesena man gen 2 into ya root over 2 mamo sorry iko line sa ke section na me ke ta dekho me ke sena man ginok root over 2 into 2 root over 2 de ke sena man gin ba mo deknya kon ba ye root over 2 ye root over 2 ye 2 2 are ye root over 2 da de ke sena man ginok 4 ko the 4 equals to root over 2 into 2 root over 2 to de ya kon ya 4 new value ya no de ke se ginok to de color change ka dena implies root over 2x square minus that the 4 ni bepo ya ko second root over 2 into 2 root over 2 ya x pamo x plus ya x minus 2 root over 2 equals 0 Proven altura the when me machine to turn upon a me machine jawa the quadratic equation of bring mistake kaya ta de niko check ani ba root over 2 do ta de ya first two terms niko aro ya last two terms niko common amgino common ragino ta de ya first two terms pa mo ya aro ya ta de first two terms ra my common do ani bo root over 2 do root over 2 do ni root over 2 common ge sa to x square x ni x ko common ra man gen square ka man jo man x an no ni x common ra ha ta de ya common raman ha root over 2 aro x ko de ta de x square dong ni man x ke sa ka chenga x minus ta de root over 2 raman ha tung ja x raman ha tung ja ta de mai ka chai 2 root over 2 ba mo 2 root over 2 ha mai shi kama dong in alto ba mo plus ta de ya last two terms x minus 2 root over 2 de mamung ba common dong ja de x x dong ja h 2 root over 2 h 2 ba dong ja root over 2 ba dong ja even mamung common dong ja de panan 1 ko common ra de 1 common ra mana option kon bracket ni se apply po x minus 2 root over 2 equals to 0 blangan alto ba mo implies do de bracket ni ngo dong pa x minus 2 root over 2 x minus 2 root over 2 iko ke ni ko ke sar ke combine ka se x minus 2 root over 2 aro bracket ni follow mai danga root over 2x plus 1 ya root over 2x ya ba mo root over 2x plus 1 equals to 0 right hand side down tau de implies tau de या बा term gisa ya ba term gisa ya bracket means te na multiplication one chanjibo tade ya term chi ya term ko multiply ara chakra chi 0 inga tawte ya gegini term ko multiply o chakra chi 0 na tade ya jade ya kesa ni kesa de 0 na nangya maina 0 chi multiply ka osa 0 man gin ba ma suppose x into y equals to 0 on dino x on jade y kesa ni kesa de 0 thela nange suppose x into 0 also 0 again on the 0 into y also 0 again inu 1 ode 0 naman jo 1 into 1 de 1 song again niman ge sauni ge saskte 0 na na x on the y chakra chi 0 na ta niman ya ge gini term ko multiply ka o ya chi 0 man ninga chakra chi niman ya term on the ya term ge gini ni ge sa de 0 na na therefore either ni second either means the again unique is samo x minus 2 root over 2 equals to 0 or ni sabo root over 2x plus 1 equals to 0 ya again unique kesa 0 thina nainga that implies magno x equals to ya ko chakra chi ang joko de 2 root over 2 ya no ajo aro or x sorry ya kade steps se thena na again direction na man ko jo implies root over 2x equals to 1 ko chakra chira ade minus 1 angeno implies x equals to minus 1 divided by root over 2 yano jo yan x ni value to khai x ni value man ba therefore x equals to by the man jo 2 root over 2 ara minus 1 by root over 2 yan answer ong ha yan an chingni x ni value ko amna nang ba ka isni nak play ka isni solve aba mo ma shirk na nga ma shide tharak ke solve ka sa ma shirk chani na bakra ka isni chok tak play na solve ka ide me suka dai ma ke ka isni solve ka kuna to number 13 ka ba ka sana the number 13 question ko set hai na to the number 13 oh number 12 one or dongkinga aro number 12 ni second part dongkinga or ba or ko ba khasna or ko ba number 12 anne machut ku ja or ko ba dong then find the discriminant of the quadratic equation equation 3x square minus 17x plus 20 equals 0 and determine the nature of the root and determine the nature of the root question solution okay solution so there your quadratic equation also had 3x square minus 17x plus 20 equals to 0 so the indiscriminate component find the discriminant of the quadratic equation indiscriminate component and determine the nature of the root discriminant component jamano nature of the root ko ba determine kabana actually discriminant the quadratic equation in nature of the root ko determine kanan on namo niman general discriminant kaman gen the nature of the root ko determine kana mantel again then also common quadratic equation of my 3x square minus 17 into x plus 20 equals to 0 so then here a equals to 3 b equals to the minus 17 c equals to the 20 minus standard form quadratic equation standard form the maximum ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 bamo yan quadratic equation standard form that they among compare kade a they no 3 yeah b they no 17 minus 17 or c they no 20 yeah bamo yeah and the yeah that they make look that the discriminant find discriminant that the discriminant को दे फंगन d ची denote करना discriminant d equals to the yeah discriminant equals to the फंगन b square minus 4ac yeah formula दो equals to the b square on the b दे मैं लोग ना b दे minus 17 बमो minus 17 b ni square minus 4 into a दे मैं minus 3 into c दे मैं minus 20 बमो equals to then 17 square 17 into 17 in multiply ka me soksana 17 into 17 mo tharake matam rang de tharake ko ma 7 7 so 49 mo sni chang sni space ko jakko pare sni chang sa sni imi chi shang gena ko ne sni yang gena sa chang sa sa mo in sku in chat in no gni mo chagni so chet sku de chagni so chet sku minus da dekho multiply ka bo de kogruk changbre de sochet gena de sochet changtham mo de changtham kogruk pre 240 ba mo de kom minus ka ade bata na 289 minus 240 direct kata nahi khone mai bajana calculation mi soksan ha 49 ba mo de 49 mania de no khabai 49 mania ba mo de 49 nara yeah 0 na patti dal bata ba mo 49 is 0 49 is greater than 0 you know discriminant ba diara 0 na patti dal batinga gen salo 0 na patte yeah discriminant tara dal bata ba yeah discriminant gen salo 0 na patte dal bata no de ma na root sara yeah quadratic equation ni root sara real and unequal na since ni sabina since d is greater than 0 the nature the nature of the roots are real and unequal yeah kon giskrabo gen salo discriminant 0 na patte dal batta in 49 chumana ba mo discriminant ko kai 49 is 0 na patte dal batta gen salo d greater than 0 the roots are real and unequal yen nature of the roots real and unequal and then the number 13 and I was gonna the number 13 na question ba chin chum sei tamne question condition likhna number 13 ko kasana agar oi ha kane video de je obong chine ya kon last ka tai na number 13 kan then number 13 to solve the equation solve the equation 2 sin square theta equals sin theta for theta less than sorry in a mistake in a question ko for 0 less than theta less than 90 degree na yeah question तो दे solve खाबोना या equation को अंशों को मन या मैं बको solve खाबोना तो दे theta रा मैं कहना दे theta दे नो angle मो theta रा 0 ना बत्ते तल बत्तना और 90 ना बत्ते छन बत्तना means दे या theta रा इनो या angle रा 0 और 90 नि किसे पो आना जगह थे ना बना 20 30 40 50 60 जगह तब ना बना हम हाई solve करने ना या theta ने value रा बता चुन solve करना नहीं है theta ने value का तो दे solution मैं क्या करना solution answer को मन दे 2 sin square theta equals to sin theta implies that the 2 sin square theta को मैंने कैसे नाम again 2 sin theta into sin theta equals to sin theta bamo asih kama tade sin theta direct cancel mamung dong cha that implies 2 sin theta equals to jakra chide khatong a jokna 1 dong ha sawba masijana bonga direct khakho khatrani no direct tade 2 sin theta mo 2 sin theta into sin theta equals to sin theta masigi jaga parang nai no detail khatrani ne tade 2 sin theta equals to sin theta divided by yagi sa sin chi divided by sin theta tade sin theta khatong re 1 ginok ba mo 1 ta tade 2 sin theta equals to 1 ya 2 sin theta equals to 1 na ino detail khating ino a short takat man ha nigaman sai chi detail khai mes ko changa that implies sin theta equals to the 1 divided by 2 divided by the other is again that sin ni bata angle so de 1 by 2 achum that sin ino mes ko tagino ya color change karna na that sin 30 degree equals to 1 by 2 iko kiskra ingin ba mo nigaman mai kesana man ginok iko implies sin theta equals to that 1 by 2 ni bia po sin 30 seta pa sin 30 degree that sin ichiba sin ichi theta ichi 30 nigaman theta equals to 30 degree solve the equation means that theta equals to the ha 30 degree tade ya question on so guman nara manchim ya ba mo ya so guman on so ha tade ni boino on so ha 0 less than theta less than 90 degree tade on so guman question baksan chini khara melema melija meleba mo tade 30 ra theta equals to 30 tade 30 de 0 na batte tal batta ar 90 na batte de son batta tade ya 30 ra mai 0 और 90 ni gisa pubo mo ya theta equals to anchung mai kaman ha 30 degree ni man anchuni kha ki ha yan answer I know number 13 to there or number 14 of number 14 kade jamano khaina ha video agre ro ha yawan trigonometry human yan last donatan ha yan to section b ko video ge sana bonni khana chanche chum diba agri ro ha moni ge parangarat pragen ni nan donai na ha section b ko part 1 part 2 rakata na ya ko part 1 rake donat na kimna next video part 2 rake khach kagen mo section b ko thela ni jong bas condition